Whether you're getting ready for fall or just giving your boots a refresh, I'll be showing you how to take your boots from this to this step by step so you can preserve their character and bring back value that you thought was lost. But before we get started, let's take a look. Step 1. Brush off debris. Some people start with a damp cloth, but I always begin with a horsehair brush. A brush lets debris fall away between the bristles, which prevents grit from scratching your leather like on a damp cloth, something that can happen even with a soft cloth. If needed, you can follow up with a damp cloth after brushing, but these are small details that make a huge difference over time in keeping your high-end leather looking its best. Step 2. Clean your leather. You don't want to just use any household or all-purpose cleaner. You need one that is specifically designed for leather, pH balanced and non-toxic. I'll be using Leather Honey leather cleaner on a microfiber cloth to gently wipe the boots down. But what about those hard to reach areas? Let's be real. Not all footwear is made the same, and sometimes there's more crevices or hard to reach areas on some shoes than others. This is where using a small toothbrush or detailing brush can make your job so much easier. It's important to have a thorough clean because this will prevent your leather from aging unevenly, providing you with the most value over time. Pay extra attention to high wear spots like the toes, heels, and straps. This clears away old dirt and salts so our next step, conditioning, can evenly penetrate the leather. And here's a quick pro tip. Use cedar shoe trees. They do 3 huge things that give you more value than the small cost or effort of using them. Number 1, they keep your boots in shape. 2, they absorb moisture and odor. And 3, they prevent and smooth out creases so your leather lasts longer. Where everyone else is throwing away their shoes because they don't take care of them, you get to keep your favorite pair of shoes as well as the money in your pocket instead of having to buy another pair. Now, on to conditioning. Probably the most important step in your leather care journey. Leather needs to be conditioned to last long, feel great, and look amazing. Although there are wax conditioners out there, I've found that the majority of leather out there benefits the most from oil-based conditioners that can penetrate deeply into the leather. And that's why my preferred conditioner is from Leather Honey. It's oil-based, non-toxic, and water repellent. I use it because it makes me feel safe around my family and my cat. All I have to do is apply it onto a clean microfiber cloth, disperse it evenly into the cloth before applying for an even coat, and then rub it gently into the leather. At first it looks glossy, but it dries matte and it won't leave any sticky residue. Let it sit for at least 24 hours and then buff off any excess with a clean cloth. Your boots will feel softer, look richer, and be ready for many more miles. Now this next step is optional, restoring the color of your leather. And I say that it's optional with the full knowledge that footwear like these Frye harness boots were manufactured with distress and a worn-in look. If you love that style, you can absolutely skip this part. But if your refined boots are no longer looking refined, this simple step can make a huge difference to you. All you have to do is use some recoloring balm, and I'll make sure to leave it in the description just in case. It's super easy. I prefer recoloring balm over shoe polish because it's more hydrating and tends to cake onto your leather much less. Just apply with a soft cotton cloth, old t-shirt, or brush to get into those nooks and crannies. Then let fully dry. After that, buff off the excess to get that refined look. With the change of seasons comes change in weather, and if you find yourself in the rain, you definitely want to protect your leather investments. Now, this spray most benefits Suede and Nubuck leather, however, it can also protect your smooth leather as well. Simply spray approximately 6 to 8 inches away, don't saturate, and let dry for 24 hours. And voila! Water will bead off your leather instead of soaking in and potentially damaging your leather over time. Simply reapply as necessary to keep your boots season ready. And if you guys are loving the results of Leather Honey so far, remember that leather care that lasts is never an accident. So check out the Amazon links in the description or head over to leatherhoney.com and use this code for 20% off plus free shipping on your first order. And that's it. You're done. Drop me a comment below. I know some of you are going to say I liked it better before, but for the purposes of this video, I wanted to show you how to bring your boots back to baseline. Now, go enjoy your like new boots, subscribe, share the video, and remember to love your leather.